Hey yo, what's up ladies and gentlemen? Time for a Nerf review. And I'm so happy because I just got the Nerf deploy. So, I bought the Nerf deploy for $25. So yeah. And so let's get started. So here is the Nerf deploy. Very good gun. I really like it. So first of all, start with the good part about this thing. The goods and the bads. It has a laser right here, so you can like. I would say I haven't really tried it yet, but once I get batteries, or once I put batteries in it, then I'll see. But it's on and off switches right here. I have turned on, turned off. And then, so yeah, you could hold it like that. This is the awesome part about this gun. What? So this can technically see. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Show you what this is really good for. So, the way you put, so this is rifle mode. So yeah, the good part about it is it's pump action, as you can see. And it also is good because of its sight. This is sight. So you guys out of it. Has one tactical rail. So you guys can see. One tactical rail, and then if you guys just put this thing down. Yeah, it's a pretty nice sight. So the way you can set this up and have it like this, feel like laser pointing. You just have to aim, and then if you want to go down, just that button up here, press that, it flips down. You can't really manual push it down, you can push down that. And here how you put it into search mode. So you see that button right there, grab that. So you just hit, so I'm going to do it from the side, so everyone sees that button. So now I'm just going to, so I'll just push it in. So just hold the top bar, because as you see, the stock will come out like this. We'll push the hand off. You should put this up first, so then you have your search mode. So you're holding it like a boss. Feel like a boss when you look. Found someone? Ah! Yeah, so that's the good parts. Now to the bad parts. What I say would be the bad part is here, I'll show you. This one's. Okay. So you have to pull the trigger back pretty far. So I will show you. Yeah. So you guys can see. Yeah, but see, if I just hold my gun like this and like hold it on the top, can't press down, so that's why I hold my hand on the bottom, which that's weird with my gun. And also the bad part is the thing up where the flashlight is. Yeah, this covers up the thing, because as you guys can see, there's the hole. Then you have nothing. So that's the bad part. And last bad part about this gun is that holds no extra clips in the back of the stock, top of the stock, or even on the bottom. So next, I'm going to show you guys its clip. So any regular clip, 6 streamlined darts. Okay. And then what I forgot to do earlier was this strap you get in the box. So I'm just clipping this on. Okay, so there's the strap. So you can be holding it like this. I usually like putting mine around my neck, but it doesn't give me enough space. That can be all like, yeah, but I really usually put it around my neck like this, so then it doesn't fall off my shoulder. But that's not very nice. Like, no, just grabbing it that I have. So you feel like, crop them out. So that you can chuck that on the ground, put this, like, grab that gun, walk it around, you're reloading, you see someone, okay, you're just walking around with this gun, you shoot, miss the guy, drop the gun to the ground, and you're like, someone should be like, that's how easy it is. For the strap to be used. Show you another gun that you guys can strap on. Not the gun I was just holding, but the gun, a Nerf gun. But with this Nerf gun, it doesn't really work for one of the things, which is going to be the Firefly. So as you can see, there's one little thing right here. There's one up here. The one up here does not have enough space for this thing to fit. Just watch. If it's stuck, so you can put there, but I prefer on my Firefly, use this strap for, to put it right there on the bottom one by the batteries. And if I'm holding it like this, and then you can be using, like, when I put this on my non-firing hand, so I can actually fire my gun, or try to at least. So yes, let's do on the computer. So you can be holding your body and flip it up. I usually have this behind me like that. They're technically behind me. So whenever you be walking around, just fired your last shot, you're out. Flip this up, use that. That's a strap, and now I'm going to show you guys how to reload. So the way to reload is, this is really confusing for people, so you can have it up like this. I just prefer to have it down here. So mine, I can jam it in there, but because I wrecked it dark by doing that, I flipped it upside down. So the preferred way to do it is have the pump back, put the clip in, put the back button, and then put it in. Then the way to turn it out, to take it out, would be pump, that button right here. So the pump, you took your last shot, pull it back, grab this, pull it out, and then you reloaded. So that's basically it for this gun, guys. So the port CS6, bye.